Hey, what's up, guys? Right here, a men's Joe Rodeo Junior Diamond Watch with approximately 4.75 carats. Most of you already know this model. High quality VS2 diamonds, factory set. Got your double row of diamonds on the bezel, diamonds on the lugs. This watch is pre-owned, excellent condition. Swiss movement, works 100%. Casing's approximately 50 millimeters wide. Here's your model number right here, JJU7. For those of you who want to research the model yourself, this watch is for sale. Once again, this watch is for sale. White mother of pearl dial stands out as well. Again, this is a very nice watch, very flashy. My number is posted in the description if you're interested. In case, for those of you who can't find that, that's 915-422-9394. So let me know.